This film looks at the distinctive life cycle of all mosses through one species, Bryum pallescens. Mosses alternate between two distinctive generations. The leafy plant is the gametophyte generation. Bryum pallescens gametophyte cells each carry 9 single chromosomes, the haploid or N number. Sporophyte cells each carry 9 pairs of chromosomes, the diploid or 2N number. The sporophyte produces haploid spores. Each spore germinates to a protonema. This develops into the leafy haploid gametophyte plant. The gametophyte bears male antheridia and female archegonia, which produce male and female gametes, sperms and eggs. Many moss species have single-sex gametophytes, but Bryum pallescens gametophytes carry both sexes. Fusion of male and female haploid gametes produces a diploid cell called a zygote. From this zygote grows a new diploid sporophyte, which is dependent upon the gametophyte. We see the sporophyte as a stalk bearing a capsule, growing from the gametophyte. Bryum pallescens is associated with metals, here growing in the runoff from a metal roof. The bulk of the gametophyte consists of small leaves, only 1 cell thick. Leaves produce sugars by photosynthesis and absorb water and nutrients. There is a stem-like main axis and, at the base, thread-like rhizoids that anchor the plant. Unlike the roots of higher plants, rhizoids play little role in obtaining water. Male antheridia and associated periphyses develop in the shoot tips and release sperms into water. Sperms swim down the wet gametophyte plant to the female archegonia at the base. This is why mosses require a damp habitat. Fertilization takes place when the sperms reach an egg in each archegonium. In Bryum pallescens, archegonia can be found at the base of the seta, which is the stalk of the sporophyte. Fertilized eggs are diploid and grow into new sporophytes. The seta of the sporophyte is red initially and grows to lift its capsule above the leafy gametophyte. The developing capsule is enclosed in a cover called a calyptra, which is shed as the capsule matures. The maturing capsules swell with spores, held in by an end cap called an operculum. The operculum is eventually pushed off by the moving peristome teeth. Movement of the peristome teeth is a response to changing humidity. The effect is to release the spores when dry, which aids dispersal. The spores are tightly packed in the mature capsule, seen here in section. Eventually, the spores are released. This is a magnified view of the peristome teeth and spores. Each spore germinates into a protonema, which is the early stage of the gametophyte. So, a loop of the alternating sporophyte gametophyte cycle is completed.